Good afternoon guys, Lee from Source Sounds Limited. Just to give you a quick demonstration of the radio that we fitted into this Kia Sportage. This is a 14 plate vehicle. It had the factory navigation system which went faulty, and also the factory reverse camera went faulty. So you can see here we've fitted a KENWOOD DMX5020DABS for the customer. It's just an entry-level model just to keep his costs down. You can see there we've got DAB radio, we've got Apple CarPlay or Android Auto connectivity. Just going to Apple, so you can see exactly, works lovely as CarPlay always does. We've actually retained the factory USB position, so rather than putting one in glove box, we've just utilised the factory location. Nice and easy for the phone to fit down. We have retained volume controls on the steering wheel, so if you just look there, you can see the volume going up and then going down. Now this vehicle had the factory amplified audio system, so it's got the boot, the sub box in the boot, just to give a little more depth of sound. So we've retained all that. Like I say, his factory camera went faulty, so we've actually replaced the factory camera for a Kenwood CMOS 230 camera, but this has been fitted in the same location, just so it doesn't look too odd on the back of the vehicle, and that all works lovely, as you can see. We've got little DAB aerial up on the windscreen, just so you can see how tight, how small they are, and the DAB reception works lovely. So if you just go back to there, we go on to DAB. You can see we've got all the different radio stations there to look at. For more information, give us a call on 0114 257 1550. My name's Lee, thanks for watching, bye.